In this video, we walk you through the steps to change the Wi-Fi network for your EZVIZ cameras, focusing on the H7C Dual Lens indoor camera. Whether you're switching to a new modem or router or you've changed the Wi-Fi name and password, this guide will help you reconfigure your camera's connection. We'll guide you on how to seamlessly reconnect your camera to the updated network, ensuring your security setup remains fully functional and uninterrupted. You'll notice the camera's LED turning red, and the app will display the camera as offline. This is a sign that it's time to reconfigure the network. To start, select the camera window in the app, go to Settings, then Network Settings, and choose Wi-Fi to begin the reconnection process. Note, follow these steps for any model of EZVIZ camera to keep your system secure and connected to your updated network. When you begin reconfiguring the Wi-Fi, the app will prompt you to reset the camera before continuing. To do this, locate the Reset button, typically found on the bottom of the camera or, in some models, under the SD card slot cover. Press and hold the Reset button for up to 10 seconds until the camera restores to its factory default settings. You'll hear a voice announcement confirming that the camera has been reset.
Reset successfully.
Wait until the camera prompts the voice announcement, Device Wi-Fi Configuration, or the camera's blue LED starts blinking faster. Once you hear the voice announcement or see the blue LED blink, click the Next button on the app to proceed with the setup.
Please use EZVIZ app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
On the next page, confirm the option Indicators flashes blue, and click the Next button to proceed. You will be prompted to select a new Wi-Fi network SSID. At this stage, choose your new modem or router's Wi-Fi network. Make sure it's a 2.4 GHz network, as the camera currently does not support 5 GHz. Enter the Wi-Fi password, then click Next to connect the camera to the new Wi-Fi network.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected. Passport registration successful. Configuration complete. Welcome to EZVIZ.
Once the configuration is successful, the camera will provide a voice prompt confirming the connection, and the LED indicator will either stabilize or blink slowly, indicating proper connectivity. You may need to enter the device verification code if the camera prompts you with an encrypted message. This code is typically the camera verification code, which can usually be found on a label attached to the camera body. Make sure to enter the correct code to complete the setup and ensure a secure connection. Now, the camera is fully operational and can be accessed remotely. Note, this method is particularly helpful for reconfiguring the Wi-Fi network without needing to scan a QR code or input the camera's serial number, simplifying the process. For further clarification or additional information, in another segment of this video series, we offer detailed explanations on storage settings, including how to manage SD card or cloud storage options, ensuring your recordings are securely saved. We also cover event alerts, where you'll learn how to set up notifications for motion detection, tampering, or other events, so you're instantly notified on your mobile device. Additionally, we dive into two-way audio configuration, showing you how to enable and use this feature to communicate through the camera in real time, whether it's for security purposes or simply checking in remotely. If you found this video helpful, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us continue creating more detailed and informative content like this. Whether it's by liking, sharing the video with others, or subscribing to our channel, every action contributes to our ability to provide valuable resources to our audience. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more helpful tutorials and insights.